Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Join me today as I time-lapse this Hardie Board cleaning. It's just got normal mold and mildew on it. We're going to take care of it. I'm going to use very low pressure. I've got my machine turned way down, and then I'm going to put soap on it. I'm going to let it sit, then I'm going to make sure it's rinsed off very well. I've already tested it. The color will not change. It doesn't have the paint on it that has the problems, that's got the recalls and things like that. So this will be good. Join me as a time lapse. And when you get ready for your Hardie Board house or stucco house to be cleaned, give Tim Moore a call at 615-405-8731. We know how to take care of this type of house.